Alright guys, it's 11:25. I'm in the car right now, heading down to West Covina to pick up my new Tesla Model Y. Well, I'm inside the Tesla dealership and just waiting for my Tesla advisor named Chris. He's the one that's helped me out. He's pretty friendly. So yeah, this is my Tesla advisor. His name is Chris. He's very helpful.
All right, Calvin. So this is it right here.
Okay. That's
So,
the
yeah.
VIN number.
Yeah. So if you want, double check it. Make sure it is your new car.
Okay.
And then whenever you're ready, you can accept it and then set up Bluetooth that we could go in and out. The little key cards are already inside, set up, good to go.
All right. Sounds good.
Yeah. Take your time, okay, Calvin?
Thank you,
Let me know
Chris.
anything, okay?
All right. Guys, this is my new Tesla Model Y Juniper. Man, it's so sweet. Okay, so guys, I'm standing right in front of my new Tesla Y Model Juniper, and it looks brilliant. The color, it's great. I did the all-around inspection. You know, nothing major, just some smudges that needs to be wiped off. The Tesla advisor was very helpful. His name is Chris. He came in and wiped it down, and it was all good to me. So yeah, overall, I'm quite happy with the car from the visual inspection point. I have a lot to learn. Obviously, I'm a new owner with an electric vehicle. I got to take it home and test it out, try it out, play with it.